welcome to GrowingCraft, and please do check out our website growingcraft.com and let's get started. So यहाँ पर मैंने लिया है wooden coasters and we are going to do decoupage art on wooden coasters and we are going to make our own coasters at home. Isn't it exciting? It's one of the easiest way for DIY coasters. Now here I am using my decoupage glue, or you can even use your Mod Podge and apply it generously on your wooden base for your decoupage art. Now whenever we say decoupage art, using your good adhesive is really important. Meanwhile, do check out our website growingcraft.com, and here I am using my decoupage napkin and I'm going to stick this really well on my base. You can even use your decoupage papers or rice papers, whatever you feel like, and you can make your own coasters at home. Now once this dries out, we are going to remove all the excessive parts of the paper from the coaster base. This is a really important step, do not miss that. Now once I am done with removing everything from the sides, then we are going to seal this one. Now if you are using a paper or a rice paper, the steps are going to be a little different. You can check out our YouTube channel for more decoupage art tutorials. Do also let me know in the comment section if you are liking this kind of quick tutorials. Now here I'm going to use my massive varnish and I'm going to seal this really well, and in your decoupage art, try to apply at least 2 to 3 coats of varnishes. Now once this dries out, your coasters will be ready. You need to make sure that adding varnish is something which you need to be very patient, and yay, here my coasters are ready. Isn't it looking beautiful? I was super happy to do this. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. I will be more than happy to know, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.